For my first time for real installing a frontal, this ate so bad. Let's get into this wig, y'all. This is a 30-inch for under $250. You can't beat it. I'm truly not a frontal girly, and I think it's because I don't know how to do them the right way, and I don't take my time when it comes to doing them. And I really like a natural look, and I don't like edges, but we're going to try them out today. This is our diary. This is our visual diary of our frontal journey. So come join along with me, and let's learn something together. Now, I'm not going to do a bald cap method. I don't like it, but I am going to use a HD wig cap and then put some makeup on it. Yeah, I've been a wig influencer for a little minute, and I still don't really tap into the frontals. But this is a 30-inch unit from Gita Hair. This does come pre-plucked, pre-bleach, but I did go in and bleach it again. I really wanted it just a little bit over bleach because I like that look. I'm going to use this olive oil gripping gel. I seen them on TikTok using it, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to try it. And I'm just going to do one small layer of that because on top, I'm going to use this Kiss Super Stay. I am a glueless wig girly. I don't really like all the glue and all that shenanigans, and especially because it's 95 degrees. Seems like not just on Fridays, but every single day. And I just don't want all that glue down to my head. But I said I wanted to get into frontals, learn how to do the edges. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to place it right on top once that glue dried and got a little tacky. And y'all, where is the lace? It is melting immediately. I love Gita Hair. Their hair is so thick and full and affordable. And y'all, I don't even think this is an HD lace. I do believe this is a transparent lace. I'll have it linked in my bio. And if y'all are coming from TikTok, hey, my bags, we're on our YouTube bag, honey. But I am going to let this sit for like 20 minutes. And which I should have let it sit longer or just set up under the dryer. I did blow dry it just a little bit to speed up the process. I like things to be quick and easy, and that's my problem. I have to slow it down and actually, take my time with these hairstyles. So this is what it looks like off the first melt, and which I'm not complaining at all. I think it looks really good for me just really taking my time and practicing. So I'm going to add in just some foundation to the lace to blend into my skin. And we're going to do a middle part Bussiana because that is my favorite. I'm taking this really old wax stick that still works. And I'm going to hot comb it down. Like, just get into the material. It's looking so good. I'm like, okay, maybe I can do frontals. And maybe I am a frontal girly. What do y'all think? So yeah, I'm just hitting it with a hot comb now just to get my part right, how I like it. And for me, it's easier to do this process actually on a, what's the thing called? A wig head instead of doing it on my head. But we're going to do it on my head because I need all the practice that I can get. Now for, what we've been waiting for. Your girl really struggles at doing edges on wigs. And I'm not even going to say that I struggle because I simply just don't do them. But like I said, we're trying new things. I'm going to pluck it a little bit. It don't look so thick and so harsh. But this actually might be a HD lace because look at how thin it is. I don't know. I'll have it in the bio for y'all. So I'm going to hot comb those edges down. And I am going to do me 2 little swoops, So I'm just prepping that for the process. I'm only going to show y'all this side because I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well. Now, I don't have a little miniature flat iron, so I'm going to have to use this big old flat iron to curl these edges. And next time, I think I'll go a little bit lighter on the edges. I'm going to use this Kiss foam to mold them. And, just do our thing. But hey, y'all, if y'all are still here, I do want to tell y'all, go ahead and like this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel. But I'm doing what I see the girls do, and that's just swoop the edges into the hairline. This is actually a little bit harder than it looks like. This is a process. It's definitely going to take me some time to get. But for my first time, I'm not mad at it. Practice makes perfect, and I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I'm a glueless wig girly, but I want to step into the frontal bag. And I know that I can do it if I just practice. We all can do it if we just practice and, just learn different people's techniques. And which I don't think that's so bad for the mold. Like, what do y'all think? Hey YouTube, if you don't know, it's your girl Chanel Haley. I'm normally a TikToker, but it's time to try new things. Make sure you like this video and comment below what more videos y'all want to see from me. Did you like this video? Let me know where y'all are coming from. But I am going to press out this hair because I'm going to curl it. Look how thick it is. It's 250 density, 30 inches, and I believe this was $229. But this is why I struggle with wig videos for real, because my head, honey, I have to tilt it at all kinds of angles, baby. But after that second melt of the baby hairs, y'all, it looks so good. Like, where is the freaking lace? And this is no flitter. Like, the baby hairs, we working on them. They still cute, but where is the lace? And I didn't even put any makeup on this wig, like on the part or anything. I am going to go in and pluck it just a little bit on my hairline, just so, you know, it looks a little bit more natural to my liking. And check out my skin, honey. The skin is glowing. But like I said, we got to practice a little bit more on the baby hairs. But for my first time, I like it. I'm not mad. And I am going to go through and curl my entire head. I did not film this entire process because it's so repetitive. I'm just curling away from my face. And when I get done curling them, I'm actually going to pin them up. I love straight hair, but it's just something about that curly hair that just gives grown and sexy. And those are just my vibes these days. Like, I'm 25. I'm trying to give a little bit older, more mature. And I did actually put a black rinse on this hair as well. I don't know if it took as well as I wanted it to, because I wanted it to be super, super black. But this is just a little tutorial on how I pinned up the hair, because I just did this throughout my whole head. But I thank y'all for tuning in. We are not done yet. Y'all are about to see the process in just a second. I did put me on a little bit of makeup just for the sake of the video, so I can show y'all how it turned out. So I am going to spray a little bit of that holding spray on these curls so they can last all day. And since I really don't have any layers, the curls are definitely going to fall. But the curls really turned out pretty. Like, look at them. Y'all, please bear with me. The transition from making 60-second videos to almost a 10-minute video is kind of crazy. But we got to do what we got to do. I've been on and off of YouTube for like the past 10 years, just not being consistent with it. And I really want to change that up. And I can only do it with you guys' help. So make sure to engage, like this video, comment below more videos y'all want to see from me. And let me know, what would you rate this install 1 through 10? Because for me, I'm going to give it an 8. I'm going to give it an 8, a nice little 8. 8 plus 8. But now, this wig did come with the curtain bangs, so I'm just going to add some face framing layers to it. Layers are going to help your curls hold that curl, and so that's just what I'm doing to the front, so it all blends in evenly. And here is the final product. This is what the lace is looking like. And I really am impressed with myself. And I really do thank y'all. If y'all have tuned in this far, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will have this hair linked below because it's actually really, really pretty. And you can install your own wigs. Like, you don't have to go spend $250 on the install. You can get this because it already comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything. I just did a little bit of extra work. And if you like how this look, you can do it too. I promise. If I can do it, you can do it. Thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment 1 through 10.